Are you tired of spending endless hours prepping meals after a long day? Creating beautiful, home-cooked dishes does not have to be a tedious chore. Today, I am sharing the absolute best vegetable chopper machine options that will completely revolutionize your kitchen routine. Let us jump right in. Product number 1. Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer Food Chopper with Container, Fruit Cutter, Onion Dicer all-in-one prep tool. Kitchen gadgets and gifts, 4-in-1, white. When I want a highly versatile and manual kitchen tool to drastically cut down on prep work, this 4-in-1 device is my absolute favorite. I am constantly amazed by how the heavy-duty stainless steel blades slice through dense root vegetables and tough onions without any resistance. It features 4 interchangeable blades, allowing me to switch instantly between dicing, slicing, and even creating beautiful spiralized vegetable noodles for healthier dinner options. The built-in catch tray is a massive lifesaver, ensuring that my countertops remain entirely free of chaotic messes while I work quickly. I love that it completely eliminates the watery eyes I usually experience when chopping onions with a standard chef's knife. The compact design makes it incredibly simple to store in smaller kitchen cabinets, and the entire unit is completely dishwasher safe for rapid cleanup. It is a phenomenal, time-saving investment that makes healthy eating much more accessible for a busy daily schedule. Product number 2. Mueller The Real Original Pro Chopper since 2013 Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer, 8-blade Food Veggie Chopper Onion Vegetable Cutter with Container, Kitchen Gadgets and Essentials, 10-in-1. Next up is an incredibly robust kitchen gadget that has practically replaced my traditional cutting boards altogether. I find this 10-in-1 prep station to be remarkably efficient, offering an astounding 8 different interchangeable blades to handle absolutely any culinary task you throw at it. Whether I am fine dicing tomatoes for a fresh salsa or slicing thick potatoes for a hearty stew, the razor-sharp German-engineered steel delivers perfectly uniform cuts every single time. The large capacity container easily holds a massive amount of prepared ingredients, which is fantastic for meal prepping multiple days in advance. I really appreciate the heavy-duty, BPA-free plastic construction that feels solid and durable under constant pressure. The included cleaning brush and fork make it remarkably easy to dislodge tiny food particles before tossing it into the dishwasher. This reliable and proven machine consistently delivers professional-level results right in the comfort of your own home kitchen. Product number 3. Hamilton Beach Electric Vegetable Chopper and Mini Food Processor, 3-cup, 350 watts, for dicing, mincing, and puree, black, 72,850. If you prefer to let a powerful motor do all the heavy lifting, this compact electric processor is an absolute game changer. I am highly impressed by the 350-watt motor, which easily powers through tough ingredients like nuts, hard cheeses, and fibrous vegetables in a matter of seconds. The patented stack and snap design completely eliminates the frustrating twisting and locking mechanisms found on older appliances, allowing me to assemble and operate the machine instantly. With a 3-cup bowl capacity, it provides the perfect size for whipping up quick batches of hummus, pesto, or homemade baby food. I love the simple press-down lid control, giving me exact precision over the chopping consistency without fumbling with complicated buttons or dials. The built-in oil dispenser is a brilliant touch, enabling me to slowly add liquids while the machine is actively pureeing. It is a tremendously powerful yet perfectly sized machine for everyday cooking. Product number 4. BLACK+DECKER 1.5-cup electric food chopper, 1-touch pulse, 150W motor, stay sharp blade, dishwasher safe. For those with extremely limited counter space who still demand exceptional convenience, this ultra-compact electric chopper deserves your full attention. I find it to be the perfect companion for quick, small-scale tasks like mincing a few cloves of garlic, chopping herbs, or preparing a fast salad dressing. The 1.5 cup capacity bowl is incredibly manageable, and the 150-watt motor delivers surprisingly quick results with just a simple press of a button. I love the one-touch pulse control, which allows me to carefully monitor the texture of my ingredients to ensure nothing gets accidentally overprocessed into a mushy paste. The bi-level stainless steel blade stays remarkably sharp over time, providing clean and consistent cuts through soft and hard ingredients alike. Because the bowl, lid, and blade are all completely dishwasher safe, cleanup takes virtually no time at all. It is a brilliant, budget-friendly appliance for minimalist kitchens. Product number 5. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper for slicing, shredding, mincing, and puree, 10 cups plus easy clean bowl scraper, black and stainless steel, 70,730. Rounding out my list is a true powerhouse designed for anyone who regularly cooks for a large family or loves to host dinner parties. I am absolutely blown away by the massive 10-cup capacity, allowing me to process entire batches of soup bases or massive salads without constantly emptying the bowl. The standout feature here is the built-in bowl scraper, which saves me the frustration of having to stop the machine and manually push food down with a spatula. The powerful 450-watt motor handles everything from shredding blocks of cheddar cheese to slicing crisp cucumbers effortlessly. I appreciate the large feed chute, as it accommodates whole blocks of food, dramatically reducing my initial prep time. With 2 dedicated speed settings plus a pulse function, I retain total control over the finished texture of my culinary creations. It acts as the ultimate, heavy-duty sous chef for your most ambitious recipes. That wraps up my comprehensive guide to the top chopping appliances on the market today. Check the links provided to grab your favorite machine and instantly upgrade your culinary experience. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.